and a voice that is leading you home. Let the rays of light shine down on you. Let the sun wash away your tears when you're lost and alone, and the whole world is turning its back. The time is right, no shortcut and no
Cross seas. Okay, awesome.
your eyes are open wide enough to see the
This summer, I went to biggest cruise in the world at the Nepal, and there are so many seas and water everything. If you want, they are restaurant and they have a light and they can speak. See, this is my dad. Say hello.
Hi.
Okay, there is a man and there is a small one from far away. See, this is the biggest ever seen. This is the biggest cruise ever seen. See, there is a small boat. See, can you see? There is a tiny boat. There is a tiny boat. And there is a one man driving a long boat. And this is the biggest boat cruise. See, that's called Rhino cruise ship. Rhino cruise ship. See, there is lots of chair inside. Inside, see, it's called RSIN Rhino CRUSSESSIP. Thank you.
What is this, baby?
This is Megalodon teeth.
Megalodon teeth?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's so giant, right? Giant? Is it giant or this tiny one?
The giant size. Megalodon is bigger than mine.
What is Megalodon?
Megalodon is the biggest shark in the entire world.
Really?
It can kill blue whales and the sperm whale.
Okay, and what's your favorite sea animal, sea creature?
My favorite sea creature is the leprechaun.
What?
The leprechaun.
Labuton?
Yeah.
What's that?
Leprechaun is a small sea creature, like a snake.
I've never heard before, Baba.
It looks like a monster.
I've never heard before.
Leprechaun live in there is biggest snake in the world.
Even more giant than blue whale?
Yes, and Megalodon and sperm whale.
Okay.
See, this leprechaun is way taller than cruise and big also.
I thought that blue whale is the just largest creature in the entire world.
And leprechaun is the largest creature in the world, and Quichitu is look like a octopus with
Okay.
a plus monster.
What does it look like?
Quichitu?
Yeah.
Quichitu is the scariest monster. Even they have red eyes and mouth is an octopus tentacles.
Tentacles?
Yeah,
Mm.
mouth and they have also wings and they can fly. They living on the water. Is a king on the water. They're king.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit about there's so many sea creatures?
Do you like Kraken? It's a giant octopus in the entire world, and it can attack the brown boat with a stick boat. And squeeze a giant stick boat.
It does?
Yes.
Okay. What is the most scariest animal? Scary. Most scariest.
Scariest animal is gorilla.
Gorilla?
Yeah.
What happens? What does it do?
If human eat the leaf acting like a gorilla, and the human catch the baby gorilla, there is gorilla, and it's so sad and angry, and there is a sharp teeth and blood in the mouth.
We never touch a gorilla baby, right?
Yes, and if they make big mouth and a sharp teeth and blood on blood.
Okay. Do you want to go nearby sea and just see all those animals?
Yeah.
Sea creatures?
No.
Why? Why didn't you?
It's coming, it's coming.
Why didn't you like to go?
It is starting.
मेरो प्रचण्ड दुईटा छुट्टै चाहिन्छ
मेरो मम्मीको नाम seeds on the side.
मम्मीको चाहिन्न छोरा मालो
Seeds on the side.
हो त नि we don't need that.
See, my mommy seeds on the side of mine.
919 This one's a go. Grassy.
Mama, I had a giant cruise in the world. And see, there's an ocean.
Sorry. We're right now in the cruise ship. We don't.
Let's go. Let's go.
Pagana, Pab. Cruise ship is moving.
To the Rhino's cruise ship, and there's my father's hello. See, he has a cute thing.
So everywhere.
See, everywhere. Look at them.
I'm not letting go inside.
Wow.
I'm not letting go inside.
Now coming. Oh, so much fun! Thank you guys. Just a minute.
Aisha. Whoa. Jumping, baby. Huh? We didn't have Coke. We buy on the road.
Daddy, this is also.
Okay, I'll buy. Don't worry. I can buy for you. Hmm?
Daddy,
Mm.
now who's going
Really? Process. Process. How's the experience? Huh? I see.
No, it is not hot.
Why?
This is so slow.
Cruise ship is always slow. It's not like normal boat. Normal boat is faster. Not the cruise ship.